Hey everyone, so here's my latest purchase from Coach. I ordered another backpack from there. This is, I forgot the name of it, maybe it's on here. Yeah, Turner backpack, round camo print. It says camo. Camo? I don't know, it's a camo print. So, open it up. Coach always does a really good job at wrapping all their products. Oh, this is really wrapped. So here it is. So I didn't know if I should buy this or not. I have so many backpacks, but I just bought it on the whim. It's really nice. So it has the pebble leather up here, and it's coated canvas. Like, I prefer coated canvas. I have coated canvas backpacks, and I have fully leather. Something about just the coated canvas. I just like it. How do you open this? Okay. More wrapping. More wrapping. Well, let me tell you, it comes really nicely wrapped. Or stuffed, I mean, both actually. More stuffing. More stuffing. And more stuffing. And these things. And this.